All right, the president speaking from the White House talking about a true $2 trillion stimulus package making its way through Congress right now. We'll have much more on that at kx6v.com and tonight at 6. Meanwhile, here in the studio, we are keeping up with the latest coronavirus developments a lot closer to home right here in Central Texas.
And as everyone is keeping social distancing a priority, we've even had to move our coronavirus tracker desk off-site. And that's where we find 25 News reporter Sydney Eisenberger with late breaking news. Sydney?
Todd and Lindsay, that's right. We have new details coming right into our coronavirus tracker desk, as well as details on that federal response that's going to help us right here in the state of Texas. So let's get started. Now, Coryell County is reporting its first positive case of COVID-19. Now, what's so alarming about this is that the case is being linked to a Bell County healthcare facility. Public health authorities say an employee at a long-term healthcare facility in Belton has tested positive for the virus. Now, we're told the patient is 55 years old and is from Coppers Cove. Public health officials are not releasing any other details at this time, but I'm going to continue to work the phones to get more details and bring it to you as soon as I can. Now, there's also some encouraging news out of Austin. Governor Greg Abbott announced that President Trump has issued a major disaster declaration for the state of Texas. Now, the declaration frees up more federal funds in the fight against the spread of the coronavirus. Meanwhile, as we mentioned, the Senate is working through the details of a $2 trillion bailout bill that will put money directly into the hands of Americans struggling right now across the country and provide to those who are on the front lines.
It's good news for the doctors and nurses in emergency rooms around the country who are waiting for more masks and more funding. It's good news for families all across America. At last, we have a deal.
The package would expand unemployment benefits and create a $367 million loan program to help stabilize small businesses. Most Americans would reportedly receive a one-time payment of $1,200 per adult. Now, Senate aides are fine-tuning the bill right now, and House Democrats will take it up as early as tomorrow. And as we heard, President Trump said he is eager to sign it. Now, let's jump right into the new numbers of positive COVID-19 cases just released from our area. The biggest changes you can see is in Brazos County and McLennan County. Public health officials are reporting 5 additional cases from the day before in each county, bringing McLennan's total to 28 and Brazos County to 21 positive cases. Bell County is reporting 1 additional positive case, bringing their total to 19. And as we mentioned earlier, Coryell County has reported its first positive COVID-19 case. Milam County officials are reporting 2 cases, while Falls and Limestone County each are reporting 1 case. Now, as the number of cases are escalating, there is good news coming out of this. McLennan County has reported that one of its patients is reportedly recovering from the case. And globally, there are 458,000 cases. However, 113,000 of those are recovering. So some good news coming out of this dark time. And we will continue to monitor updates and bringing them to you as they come in. Live from the Coronavirus Tracker Desk, Sydney Eisenberg, 25 News.